The U.S. Navy launched its 6th-generation FAXX program in 2008, and the USAF sought initial responses for a next-generation tactical aircraft, Next Gen TACAIR, which would become the FX program, in 2010. Boeing, Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman have all announced 6th-generation aircraft development projects. On September 14, 2020, the USAF announced that a prototype aircraft component of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program had flown for the first time. The details remain classified. The USAF regards stealth as extremely important for the FX, while the U.S. Navy emphasized the FAXX should not be so focused on survivability as to sacrifice speed and payload. Unlike the previous F-22 and F-35 development programs that depended on new technologies that drove up cost and delayed introduction. 6th-Gen combat awareness will require a theater-wide integration of diverse systems, beginning with the primary airborne sensory suite and further including real-time data linking of ground-based detection and ranging technology with sensors aboard primary and support aircraft. How the 5th-generation F-35C integrates with the rest of the air wing to give greater capabilities than what the platform itself can do may lend itself to the 6th-generation FAXX. The Navy aircraft is to have greatly increased speed and range compared to the Super Hornet. The F-22 modernization and upgrades consist of software and hardware modifications, or tactical mandates, captured under numbered increments, as well as software-only operational flight program, OFP, updates. The first aircraft with combat-capable Block 3.0 software flew in 2001. Increment 2, the first upgrade program, was implemented in 2005 for Block 20 aircraft onward and enabled ground attack capability through the employment of Joint Direct Attack Munitions, JDAM. The improved AN/APG-77 V1 radar was certified in March 2007, and airframes from production Lot 5 onward were fitted with this radar, which incorporates air-to-ground modes.